Toyota Harrier. Excellent condition, Toyota Harrier. Silver colour. Spotless on the outside. Good condition tyres. Electric windows, of course, as you'd expect in a Harrier. Electric wing mirrors. Let's take a look at the engine. Very smooth. Very clean. Let's go and take a look inside. Very clean inside. Lots of space. Let's take a look at the dash. We've got an excellent display here that lets you know the outside temperature and gives you information on fuel efficiency, so you can see how much gas you're using. Got a sound system with JBL speakers, so excellent sound quality. Look at the dash. 70,000 Ks on the clock. Toyota Harrier.